So with most football leagues across the world still in limbo, including the Red Stripe Premier League in Jamaica, like most of the league organizers, the PLCA must be pondering all possibilities. Do they go the easy route of being null and void, or do they make the brave call? That could mean a salvaging of the season. Personally, I am for the salvaging settlement. If no more football is played, more than half the season gone, we look at the table as is and call the season. The team in first place wins the league. Who in relegation zone get relegated, etc. Of course, the format of the RSPL would make it tricky because the RSPL is not a straight league. Teams not necessarily playing to top the league, but to position themselves in the top 6 for the playoffs. But again, these are extenuating circumstances, and the PLCA might need to play tough and lay down the law. So as it is now, if no more football is played, Waterhouse would win the league by a point over Mount Pleasant. The order in the middle of the tables would remain, while Veer and Huey would get relegated. Argument done. Or like how the Confed playoffs were yet to begin, so the promotion picture was not yet clear, Huey and Veer could I get a blind? Next season, Corona pending, regular service resumes.